Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So I'm out with my son Scott on his trail 125, and we're in the Grasshopper town, looks like. Well, it's called Grasshopper Landscaping and Maintenance. Huachuca City, Arizona. We're actually just out checking out this town. We'd actually been down through this main drag several times on the highway, but we've never actually been out in here. So we're just basically exploring Huachuca City. I mean, there can't be that much exploring here to do. Okay, so this is where we was earlier, right there.
Yeah, so I was gonna say is, I had a notification. I was like, yeah, I think we're coming right back down to where we were.
Yeah, so we're on basically the outer road of the highway here, which is Highway 90. And this goes up to the Interstate 10, and you can go to Tucson up through there. So we want to go straight ahead.
Looks like it. Probably have to turn around and go find something else.
Now this is kind of comical here because if you see that sign, it's telling you that this right here is a dead end.
Yeah.
Just in case you can't see that, that's a dead end.
Yeah.
Okay, so we want to go down through here and see if we can go over on that one street. Remember?
Oh yeah, I know where it's at. Here, I'll lead the way.
You lead the way.
I know what you're talking about. Over by that maroon and white trailer.
See if we can go over that way.
Well, I think we kind of were. We just need to see if we can get further over that way.
Yeah, I don't know that we can. Yeah, fancy ramp. Holy cow. Fancy aluminum ramp for the wheelchair on that house.
Yep. Okay, so there's the park, so we need to go right. It's so weird that this is a street.
Yeah, I know. Hey, you multi-use. It's a drainage ditch and a street.
Yeah.
Here.
I think we could go down this one or this one. Maybe we'll try this one and see if it goes over further.
Yeah.
Oh, dead end.
Yeah, we gotta go left down here.
Yeah, I think it's gonna let us go left. Look at that.
That's what
Pig in the front yard. There was a pig statue.
There's Lake Huachuca right there.
Yeah.
In the middle of the road. So now we just go straight or right. We just gotta go back to that corner of the town, and maybe that's all you can do.
Yeah.
Not go anywhere.
I'm thinking maybe turn right and see how far it'll let us go down here.
Yeah. Nikki's Mobile Home Park. What are you doing stopping at all them stop signs?
I don't know. Dang, they got some stuff taking over their yard, whatever that kind of weird plant is. Real big leaves.
Oh, I didn't see it. Yeah, we're back down here at that park.
So, well, we might be able to go this way.
What about left through there? Left and right, or did we go that way?
I don't think we did. I don't remember this yard, but I could be wrong. There's something that's just like a driveway.
I didn't even see that thing now, that tower.
It's somewhere out here. Maybe we already passed it.
What?
I said maybe we already passed that tower.
Oh, no, it's out in the desert.
Well, I meant like that way.
Oh. Can't go that way. It's the only way you can go.
I was hoping we can at least see it.
It gets a no-go.
Oh, I see it, I think. I think I saw it back there.
Can't go that way to get to it.
No.
What's that road up the hill?
I don't know. Looks like dirt roads from somewhere. I don't know how you get over there. Oh, we did come this way because there's that yard with the people playing that stuff.
There's a red house. That's a little bitty house.
It's definitely a one bedroom.
No doubt. Probably all bedroom.
Sorry, did I say one bedroom? I meant to say it's a bedroom. The heck? Oh, I think we found something.
Yeah, this is where we come through earlier, that little cut
Oh, dang it, I got tricked.
Yeah.
I thought we found a trail going off the road.
Well, that's probably nothing we can go up.
Oh, it's probably no trespassing road over here.
Probably, just so I can go see. Yeah, it's actually, you know, it's right up here.
I didn't even notice that before.
I ain't either.
It looks like you can turn on it.
It looks like. I don't see nothing that says keep the heck out of here.
See, I knew we'd find a trail.
We must have found a trail. I'm just keeping it going while I'm going. Just keep on the gas. We're on top of the world. Look at that landfill over there.
Oh, yeah.
I still haven't seen anything told us to keep out of here.
No, I didn't see anything.
There's a tumbleweed out there. Gas pipeline.
Is this gonna come back and connect us over to there by those houses?
I think it's going to.
Well, that's at least convenient.
Look at the trash they're burying over there. That's where they're dumping it right now, and then they bury it.
Yep. Can you imagine how big that landfill is?
No doubt. And that's probably a tiny one compared to big cities.
Oh,
you know?
yeah, other places, yeah.
There's a ramp. Probably gonna come over here and we'll be fenced in and can't get out. We have to turn around.
Oh, man.
I don't know.
It happens.
We're coming up right behind people's houses. You can see we're like in people's backyards.
Yep.
There's no way out.
Oh, there's no way out?
That truck's got the roadblock down there, see it?
Well, we can go out right there.
Yeah.
Why not?
Huh, can you?
Yeah, I don't see why not. I'm sure it's fine.
Guess we'll find out if we get shot.
Well, hopefully not. I'd imagine, even if his truck is parked here, this part out here probably ain't even his property.
I doubt it. He's just using it.
Yeah.
This is... We've been this way.
Yeah, this is where we came out a second ago because it comes out by the baseball fields.
Yeah, okay.
Well, that was still pretty neat, though, that we found the little trail going up the hill.
Yeah, I know.
I didn't think we were going to be able to get on that.
We climbed it as long as you keep on the gas.
I mean, it does. It's never really been too much of an issue. The trail does pretty good.
Yeah.
That says no outlet, but we could at least drive up here and just go look at what's over here. Look at the other side of the baseball field.
Yeah. Park closes at 10 p.m.
That sucks. No dogs allowed in park because they don't want people pooping on the baseball field. So when you slide, you don't slide and poop.
Well, they had to do that because everybody with their dog, not everybody, but a lot of people with their dogs, they won't pick up their poop. They just leave it where everybody's got to walk.
Yep. It happens.
Fancy.
Yep. They even got a concession stand, which I'm surprised.
Yeah,
No, that's not a concession stand. That's a freaking... Well, there might be a concession stand in it as well, because it looked like there was a counter.
There is. There's a roll-up window.
Yeah, they did it as one building.
Right.
Restrooms and concessions. Where you can poop or eat.
Most places ain't as fancy as Exeter, Missouri, Scotty, where you were.
I know.
Exeter was high class. We was putting on the Ritz there. Uh-oh. Is that the law?
Probably.
Probably looking for us.
He might be pulling us over because they saw us riding on that road we weren't supposed to be on.
Yeah. You guys can't ride
Yeah.
That's a Huachuca City cop. My
Oh,
gosh, that vehicle costs more than the town has money, I would think. I mean, you see it?
Could be. Yeah.
Jeez. Fancy.
Super nice out now.
We gotta turn left right down here if this car will get past us. Trying to slow down, let it go past, but we gotta turn left right here.
Yeah. Didn't we try turning down this road before?
Yeah,
I felt like we went down this one.
we did.
Cause is this the one that went down to that guy's driveway or something, turned into something, and then
Dead ends.
it was like, oh, I thought it was like the one that was like private property or something. Maybe I'm getting mixed up.
I think you're right. It is private property, but that doesn't mean dead ends are private property.
Yeah.
Golly. So this is Mustang Road.
Yeah, Mustang, yeah. Well, I remember this because you thought the Mustang Road might connect over to the other side, and I think it does, but it goes through someone's property to do that,
Right.
which is really weird.
Yeah, I think that's dumb.
My
And
goodness.
And maybe it's private property, but if it don't say no trespassing, you probably can still go.
I'm not sure.
So where's all the Mustangs at?
They're all gone.
I don't know if we're talking about horses or cars.
They're all tamed. All the cars, that is.
Probably right. Private drive.
Do
No
not enter.
trespassing that way. Do not enter. So we gotta go this way. Mustang Road goes this way. That's kind of weird. We're going around that spot. If you look on the map, all this is doing is going around that.
Yeah.
Like a little closed off strip right there. We'll be right back on it here where it goes through right here in a minute.
Yep. This is the gate we came up to last time.
Private property. No trespassing.
Yep, so turn around then.
But that says Cochise County. I don't get it. I mean, the road does go all the way through, all the way on through, but and I don't know.
It's weird.
Okay, guys, that's the end of Huachuca City. Other than the used store right here. That's it. Thank you all for watching. Click that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon. You'll be notified when I put out a new video. Catch you all on the next adventure. Right on.